In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Calendar appointment schedule quickly and easily. If you need a simple way for people to book time with you, whether it's for meetings, consultations, interviews, or support calls, this method is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of sending back and forth messages to find a time that works, you can share one booking link and let people choose an available slot themselves. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Google Calendar tips. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best in a desktop browser because that's where you'll be able to access and manage your appointment schedule options more easily. Once Google Calendar loads, look for the appointment schedule you want to share. You may have more than one if you use Calendar for different types of bookings, so take a moment to find the exact one you want people to use. When you see the appointment schedule, click on it. This will open the details for that booking page and show you the options related to sharing it. Next, select Copy Link. This copies your appointment schedule booking link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. After that, you can paste the booking link into an email, a direct message, a website, a social media bio, or anywhere else your audience can access it. This is what makes the feature so useful because instead of manually coordinating times, people can simply open the link and choose an available appointment time that works for them. Once they book, the appointment will be added to your calendar automatically, helping you stay organized and making scheduling much easier. If you want to get even more value from this, you can place the link in a contact page, a booking button, or a pinned message so it's always easy to find. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Google Calendar appointment schedule in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.